1998, India went nuclear. Pakistan replied with a nuclear, they can't stay behind us, they have to copy us. Treachery and deceit of the highest order by somebody called Musharraf. He thought he's a big commando. But उसको पता नहीं था कि जब मार पड़ेगी इंडियन आर्मी की आपका क्या हाल होगा. वो 71 भूल गए थे. प्लीज विजिट द वॉर मेमोरियल इन दिल्ली. अगर आप वॉर मेमोरियल नहीं गए ना दिल्ली, किसी मंदिर में जाने का फायदा नहीं आपका. मैं बता रहा हूँ, दीज आर टेम्पल्स ऑफ मॉडर्न इंडिया. As it is, I am an atheist, तो my religion is behind me. This flag that I carry everywhere. जब चीफ ने उनको फोन किया कि मैम हम आपके बच्चे की बॉडी ला नहीं सकते बिकॉज पाकिस्तानीज आर फायरिंग एंड दिस बॉय इज डेड देयर ऑन द पीक एंड हनीफ को हम ले नहीं आए, नीचे नहीं ला पाए. इज फ्रॉम 11 राजपुताना राइफल्स, शिवाजी कॉलेज का लड़का. हिज मदर सेड सर प्लीज, हनीफ चला गया कोई बात नहीं, बट डोंट लेट अनदर सन ऑफ मदर इंडिया गो, ट्राइंग टू रिकवर हिज बॉडी. ऐसे लोग हैं हमारे देश में. टीवी तो बंद कर दो. आई से पीपल विद 75 इंच टीवी डोंट हैव अ लाइब्रेरी इन देयर होम. लानत है. Vanshika, Kamya, thank you very much. Thank you, Lieutenant Sonia. Thank you, Principal Ma'am. And thank you to the NCC wing of the Kamala Nehru College who approached me on the social media and somehow I couldn't say no to you. So I take it as a proud privilege. I love to interact with young people. You must have Google searched my name and seen, my slogan these days is my second innings is for your first innings. I've just recently retired, from the army, and 2-3 months back I was down with COVID and 14 days of isolation in the house, and that is the time in mid-May I got this idea, okay, I should do something. I've done enough, what more can I do? Maybe become a vice chancellor or chancellor of a university with my PhD, go and head an institution, or then came no, I must do something where I can inspire the next generation of India, where I can motivate, I can guide. मैं आपका रहबर बन सकूं, आपका गाइड बन सकूं, आपका कोच बन सकूं, आपको मेंटोर कर सकूं, आपको एक रास्ता दिखा सकूं कि देश ने कहाँ जाना है, आपने कहाँ जाना है. क्या आपके गोल्स देश के गोल के साथ मैच करते हैं? क्या जो आपके ध्येय है मन में, जो लक्ष्य आपने रखा है, क्या देश के हित में है वो? तो इन चीज़ों को लेके मैंने I launched my YouTube channel, which is one of the fastest growing YouTube channels in the country. All of you must subscribe to it. I got onto Instagram because I realized face to face I can't go and visit colleges and schools. I've been doing it earlier. When I was in uniform, I never said no to any school or college who wanted me to come and speak to them. I've been chairman of many schools in the army with the rank I kept, looking at taking care of schools. So I thought this is a good medium, and if I stay behind in technology, then I will not be able to part this. I will not be able to give this, give back to the society. So we have this great tradition in the army of giving back, of what you have learned, what you have achieved. Give it back to your next generation, mentor the next generation. So वहाँ से सपना आया, and then I got on the social media, especially I enjoyed Instagram. I got onto Telegram. I have a group on Telegram where more than 2,000 young defense aspirants are there who are in touch with me. They ask me simple, silly questions sometimes. But I try and mentor them and guide them, right from NDA to CDS to women entry to becoming a doctor in the army to being a pilot in the army. So all kinds of, recently I have launched a military school, album. I am from Rashtriya Military School. I am a third generation army man. But my father was a soldier, and I had the honor and privilege of becoming an officer in the Indian Army. So I thought I must give it back. So that is how we have got connected. I never knew I will get connected to Kamala Nehru College, one of the most prestigious colleges. I'm so proud to be. I wish the whole college was here listening. But nevertheless, I see the NCC cadets so bright and charming, each one of you. I wish I can take you all in the military immediately. You look so nice. Kamya, Vanshika, all of you. So what we'll do today, is I don't like to give boring, laborious talks. I'll speak to you for 15-20 minutes. मैं आपसे बात करूंगा अपने दिल की, थोड़ी कारगिल की बात करूंगा, थोड़ी बातें करूंगा. लीडरशिप क्वालिटीज क्या चाहिए आपको, आपने क्या कल्टीवेट करना है. अगर आप एस्पायर करते हो, बहुत अच्छी बात है. यू वांट टू बी एन ऑफिसर इन द डिफेंस फोर्सेस ऑफ इंडिया, बहुत अच्छी बात है. बट दैट इज वन पार्ट ऑफ द गोल. हाउ डू यू अचीव दैट गोल? आप कैसे वहां तक पहुंचोगे, वो मैं आपसे कुछ शेयर करूंगा. एंड देन इफ यू रिमेन कनेक्टेड विद मी, देन योर लाइफ विल चेंज. गुरु आपके सामने बैठे हैं, बट आई एम मोर ऑफ अ रहबर, मोर ऑफ अ गाइड, यू नो. आई विल ट्राई टू डू दैट. तो जहां तक कारगिल की बात है, देयर सो मच ऑफ रिटन ऑन दिस वॉर. I was a senior company commander. I vividly remember every event of the Kargil war. I exactly remember. And this was the first war which was telecast live to our drawing rooms, thanks to Barkha Dutt and the media, Indian media. You know, the cable TV had just come into India in 91, 92. And then we had this, the 1998 India went nuclear. Pakistan replied with a nuclear, they can't stay behind us, they have to copy us. And February 99, interestingly, our much loved Prime Minister, Mr. Vajpayee, went on a bus trip to Lahore and took all Indian celebrities with him in the bus. I remember the bus going from Amritsar and crossing the Wagah border. And there he signed the Lahore Declaration, signing of peace, so that I thought for a change, both the nations will look at इतनी गुर्बत हमारे देशों में, इतनी गरीबी हमारे देशों में, इतनी भूखमरी है, और हम लड़ रहे हैं पागलों की तरह. एक भाषा बोलते हैं, एक जैसे कपड़े पहनते हैं, जैसे खाना खाते हैं. संत हमारे सारे एक हैं, बुल्ले शाह, कबीर, नानक, ये किसी एक के नहीं है. और फिर भी हम लड़ रहे हैं एक दूसरे के साथ वाहियात बातों पे, धर्म को लेके या जो भी उटपटांग चीजें. एंड व्हेन दिस वाज हैपनिंग, पाकिस्तान वाज ऑलरेडी इनसाइड आवर टेरिटरी. द ट्रेचरी एंड डिसीट ऑफ द हाईएस्ट ऑर्डर, treachery and deceit of the highest order by somebody called Musharraf. He thought he's a big commando, but उसको पता नहीं था कि जब मार पड़ेगी इंडियन आर्मी की, आपका क्या हाल होगा. वो 71 भूल गए थे. And they thought, they had done a lot of war gaming. This plan was always there with them for many years. So the story of Kargil starts when, because of extreme cold climate, freezing temperatures, and heights ranging from 16 to 18,000 feet, posts are generally vacated every year because it's inhuman to stay there guarding desolate places. So we had withdrawn, Pakistan didn't withdraw. In fact, they came much into our territory, and at that stage, they occupied, and the entire winter they were there. They stocked themselves up, they built prefab shelters, they brought anti-aircraft guns, they brought rocket launchers, they brought heavy machine guns, light machine guns. And they had the Special Services Group, the SSG, what we call the Para-SF. They brought the Northern Light Infantry, which is like our Ladakh Scouts, sons of soil, boys recruited from that region. And they occupied 160 kilometers wide frontage, right from where Dras town is there, up to Turtuk, which is on the foothills of Siachen Glacier. So this 160 kilometers, 130 posts they had occupied. And the plan was that they will cut off NH1 Alpha, which is a very tenuous connection we have, Ladakh with Kashmir, and across the Zojila Pass. And the pass can be closed by one landslide. And there's no tunnel, unfortunately, even today. It'll take many years to come. Dekhte hain jab aayegi. So, and they thought Kargil is 100%, almost 95% Muslim, Shia Muslim. They thought they will side with Pakistan. They thought they'll open up another front in Kashmir, and they'll avenge the death, going of Siachen Glacier, where we surprised them in 1984. And then they thought they will, they will get into the valley and they will liberate what they call Kashmir, their fixation with Kashmir. वो देश खत्म हो गया, नर्क में चला गया because of their fixation with Kashmir, which they will never ever get it. Never ever will they get it. They know it also, but they still keep trying. So with this grand plan, they entered into Indian territory. We were caught napping. We must accept this, and we must take a vow. Will never ever such a thing happen again. We need to keep surveillance of our, our frontiers. We should not get into a Panipat syndrome that we fight the enemy at Panipat. We should fight the enemy across the Indus River. So they had come in, and when a shepherd in Batalik, came and told the army कि मैंने कुर्ते पजामे में लोग देखे ऊपर early May. तो कुर्ते में वहां तो कोई रहता ही नहीं. So our hackles got and we sent out some patrols where young Saurabh Kalia was captured. His patrol was brutalized by Pakistan, inflicted grave injuries, and that raised the a sentiment in the nation and the army ki no more now. We will teach you a lesson. And for once, the political, the military leadership, the diplomatic leadership, and the entire nation, ये बड़ी कमाल की बात है, the entire nation was stood tall. And we said, okay, now we will. So they never calculated the resolve of the Indian army. They never calculated the resolve of the Indian nation. They thought ये लाला देश है, ये ऐसी फौज है, ये घुटने टेक देंगे, ये हम कहेंगे जिहादी हैं यहाँ पे, हमारा पाकिस्तान आर्मी का कोई रोल नहीं है, आपने कुछ करना है तो कर लो. And we will withdraw ourselves from this and we will give this alibi, of we don't know. हमें नहीं पता, आप संभालो, ये तो टेररिस्ट है, जिहादी, हम कुछ नहीं कर सकते. So May took preparation. We pulled in troops from Valley. We brought in guns from other areas, and initially they were dominating. Those आप जो गए हो, please जाना. You must, in fact, all girls, please go for a solo trip to Ladakh. Please go. Just tell your parents, चिंता मत करो, लद्दाख से अच्छे लोग दुनिया में कहीं नहीं. Just sit in a bus or a bike or a car or aircraft, just land in Ladakh and spend 15 days alone yourself. निकलो जरा देखो. Go to Dras War Memorial. अगर आपके रोंगटे ना खड़े हो जाएं. Go and see Tololing सामने नजर आता है. Tiger Hill, all these features are visible. So only one road. So when we were coming in, Pakistan was bombarding this area with their artillery, and we lost a lot of people in the initial phase of the battle due to artillery firing. So we realized they're all over us. And then this, this started. The Air Force joined in a little later. The Navy planned an operation, from the western and eastern seaboard. They put a sea denial on Pakistan in the area of Karachi and the Kamran coast. We will not allow anything to move here. The Air Force had never fired in high altitude. Air Force came in big numbers, and Nachiketa had to jettison from his aircraft. He was captured. And Ajay Ahuja, Veer Chakra, he had to sacrifice life. And then there were many young people, as the principal said, this was a battle fought by young India. Young India, 18 साल से 25 साल के बच्चे. ये विजय थापर 22-23 साल, विक्रम बत्रा 24 साल, आचार्य 29 years, 30 years, अनुज नैयर 22 years, सर्विस 6 महीने. एकेडमी से निकले थे बच्चे 6 महीने, मैक्सिमम 2 साल. कैप्टन हनीफुद्दीन दिल्ली शिवाजी कॉलेज का लड़का है. विजय थापर आपके इसका खालसा कॉलेज का है. तो ये ऑर्डिनरी बच्चे थे, एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी काम कर रहे थे. ये कहां से ये जोश आता है देश के नौजवानों में, मुझे पता नहीं. आई हैव बीन अ यंग ऑफिसर इन पुंछ, रजौरी, इन कश्मीर. और एक फतूर होता है ये, अपने जवानों को लीड करना, अपने देश के लिए काम करना, अपनी फौज का नाम ऊपर करना, और अपनी यूनिट का, अपने कॉमराडरी, ये अलग किस्म का जज्बा है. सो इंडियन आर्मी retaliated with vicious manner of extreme violence. And then आप लोगों ने वीडियो देखे बोफोर्स गन के, but when one gun fires, earth shakes. I have seen 100 guns fire when I was in Rajasthan commanding a unit. We were trying out what happens when 100 guns will fire in deserts. But here there were more than 200 guns firing, Bofors guns, and they were firing unconventionally in direct firing role. So we blasted the hell out of the Pakistanis. They didn't even collect their dead bodies. They could not even reclaim कि हमारे फौजी हैं. It took them many years to put the names of some of their killed in action soldiers on their website. हमारे तो every one of 529 is accounted for. सबके नाम है. Please visit the War Memorial in Delhi. अगर आप War Memorial नहीं गए ना दिल्ली, किसी मंदिर में जाने का फायदा नहीं आपका. मैं बता रहा हूँ, these are temples of modern India. As it is, I am an atheist, तो my religion is behind me. This flag that I carry everywhere. I read the Quran, I read the Bible, I've visited all Gurdwaras. I don't mind visiting any mosque, any ziyarat and all. Long back, I've removed this, venom from my mind of caste, religion, creed, because this is against the ethos of my country. It's against the ethos of being an Indian. We the people of India. तो ये कारगिल में हमने करके दिखाया. And each of these people are just like you. जस्ट ऑर्डिनरी होम्स, देहात के बच्चे हैं मैक्सिमम, चिल्ड्रन ऑफ फार्मर्स, चिल्ड्रन ऑफ स्कूल टीचर्स. ये कोई बहुत रॉयल फैमिली के बच्चे नहीं थे. They are from ordinary families, ordinary children with dreams in their eyes. Most of them were short service and direct entry commission officers who have been to colleges and universities of India, and they achieved this amazing success. And all of them, you read the letters of Major Acharya. ये किताब रखी है आचार्य की. His daughter is in touch with me. मेरे YouTube पे सारे वीडियो मैंने डाले पिछले कुछ दिन में. Talking to अपराजिता. ये माँ के पेट में थी यार. She was born 3 months after the war. एंड आचार्य ने जो चिट्ठियां लिखी वो प्राइम मिनिस्टर ने पार्लियामेंट में पढ़ी देश को कि ऐसे बच्चे हमारे देश के. अब तो रोना आ जाएगा वो चिट्ठियां पढ़ोगे, उसकी ऐसी हैंडराइटिंग है. ये किताब पढ़िए मेरे पीछे आचार्य की. विजयन थापर, you know, he was engaged. You know, Major Anuj Nayyar was engaged, and before going to war he handed over his engagement ring and letter to his fiancée, to his company commander. सर ये रख लेना, आ जाऊं तो दे देना. मैं Captain Hanifuddin, you know, there's so much Islamophobia going on in this country. My heart cries, you know. All WhatsApp groups, our homes are full of hatred. Very sad. But Hanifuddin's mother, single parent, उनके हस्बैंड की डेथ हो गई थी जब हनीफ जो है 8 साल का बच्चा था. जब चीफ ने उनको फोन किया कि मैम हम आपके बच्चे की बॉडी ला नहीं सकते बिकॉज पाकिस्तानीज आर फायरिंग एंड दिस बॉय इज डेड देयर ऑन द पीक. एंड हनीफ को हम ले नहीं आए, नीचे नहीं ला पाए. इज फ्रॉम 11 राजपुताना राइफल्स, शिवाजी नगर, शिवाजी कॉलेज का लड़का है. हिज मदर सेड सर प्लीज, हनीफ चला गया कोई बात नहीं, बट डोंट लेट अनदर सन ऑफ मदर इंडिया गो, ट्राइंग टू रिकवर हिज बॉडी. ऐसे लोग हैं हमारे देश में और हम बातें करते हैं यहाँ पे वाहियात दुनिया भर की. स्पेशली माई जनरेशन, ओल्डर जनरेशन फुल ऑफ religious bigotry which pains me a lot. At least मेरे बच्चों, मेरे young generation, that's why I speak to you all कि please stay away from this. We have to hold India together. If there are more Kargils going to happen, we can only fight if we fight as a nation. हमारी हस्ती जो है हिंदुस्तान से है, धर्म से नहीं है. कृपया करके भूल जाओ ये कि हम किसी धर्म से हमारी हस्ती है, नहीं है, बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. ये हमारे ठीक है ग्रंथ हैं, पढ़ लो उनको, अच्छी बात है. लेकिन हिंदुस्तान, इंडिया अगर बना रहेगा एक देश तो तभी बना रहेगा जब हम साउथ से नॉर्थ और ईस्ट से वेस्ट सब लोगों को जोड़ के रखेंगे. मुझे बहुत दुख होता है नॉर्थ ईस्ट के बच्चियों के ऊपर, जैसे यहाँ दिल्ली के लोग काम बातें करते हैं उनके बारे में. मुझे बहुत दुख होता है हम कैसे साउथ इंडियंस को करते हैं, जैसे झारखंड के लोगों के साथ वो करते हैं. We straightway see people through a prism of color, race system, color, then creed, फिर दाढ़ी है, टोपी है, लुंगी है, भाषा कौन सी इबादत कैसे करता है, कमाल. इबादत की उस पे हम लोगों को जज करते हैं और सीधा कंडेम करते हैं. प्लीज गो बैक एंड रीड भगत सिंह. हम सब डीपी लगाते हैं भगत सिंह. ही वॉज एन एथिस्ट लाइक मी. रीड हिज आर्टिकल, इट्स अवेलेबल ऑन द नेट. व्हाई आई एम एन एथिस्ट. ही वॉज सोशलिस्ट. रीड महात्मा गांधी, माय एक्सपेरिमेंट्स विद ट्रूथ. उसको क्या जरूरत पड़ी थी साउथ अफ्रीका में बूमिंग बिजनेस एज एन एडवोकेट, यंग एडवोकेट. लंदन से वेंट टू साउथ अफ्रीका टू फाइट अ केस. केम टू इंडिया सब छोड़ के और 3rd क्लास रेलवे कंपार्टमेंट में घूमता रहा फकीरों की तरह एक धोती पहन के इस देश को आजादी दिलाने के लिए. और आज उसी के बारे में यू विल फाइंड सो मेनी एंटी पोस्ट अबाउट हिम. सो मच ऑफ वेयर विल यू गेट पीपल लाइक पंडित नेहरू, सरदार पटेल, यू नो, भगत सिंह के सुखदेव, राजगुरु, मदन लाल ढींगरा. they belong to all India. Mangal Pandey, why did he pick up a weapon and kill the British officer in 1857? Who are these people? Who are these people from Kalipaltan? Who are the people who, you know, picked up arms in the first war of independence in 1857 and then continued till 1947 till we got independence? And then we chose a constitution. We said we the people of India, and the spirit was ignited in Kargil. That spirit was in 1971. The spirit was in Siachen Glacier. To capture Siachen Glacier in 1984 is an amazing event in world history. No other army has done this, and we did this before the Pakistanis could even imagine. उसी समर में वो पहुंच जाते और हमने 13 अप्रैल 1984 को we landed troops in Glacier. और इतने साल से हम उसको 36 साल से हमने ग्लेशियर को पकड़ के रखा है. 1100 people have have been killed in action in Siachen Glacier to protect that part of our country. Because it may be a desolate frontier, but वो कब नया frontier बन जाएगा हमें पता नहीं. You see what has happened in Galwan in eastern Ladakh. I was there when this event had just about starting. I've commanded a unit in eastern Ladakh as a CO many years back. So I've seen the Josh, the young Indians ka Josh, young people. So this was a young war fought by young people across 160 kilometers of frontage. At Principal Ma'am was telling about the geography. These are places 16 to 18,000 feet, pleasant summer. Summer is wonderful, but on top the temperature at night is minus 11 to minus 18 degrees. बच्चों जो जवान लड़ रहे थे इस टेम्परेचर में रात को लड़ रहे थे because दिन में you couldn't move. Pakistanis would take you on immediately. And Lieutenant Kangaroos is a boy from northeast. Again two Rajputana rifles. His task was to hang a rope. Imagine, to go on top, hang a rope so some people can climb on the cliff and surprise the Pakistanis from behind. उसके पैरों में उसके जंगल बूट से ग्रिप नहीं बन रहा था, नंगे पैर चढ़ गया, नंगे पैर गया वो लड़ाई लड़ने के लिए. He threw down his boots. He's a boy from northeast. तो क्या बात करते हो? So this the lesson we have to draw from this war is that young India, young people, NCC cadets, I feel so enthused when I see you all. आप यूनिफॉर्म में बैठे हो, इतना मुझे अच्छा लग रहा है. The girls of India, there's so much of scope for you. Join in the AFMC, the top medical college of India, Armed Forces Medical College. If you can't do that, do BSc Nursing, join as Military Nursing Service Officer. Do your graduation, join as director, through CDS. Join the Air Force, join the Navy. And young girls, there have been so many girls and women officers in my team, in Ladakh and wherever I've served. They do an outstanding job. Simply outstanding. They're such an asset to our organization today. And all of you have it in you. All of you have it in you. So this was one part. 529 young men died for our country. Let's remember them. And why did they never went back home? What was there? What was driving them? There were people from different, there was Mahar unit, there's a Naga unit, there's Sikh unit, there's 17 Jat, there's Rajarif, there's Grenadiers, and there are a whole lot of engineers, ASC, backup forces from all India, all class. So they all fought together to achieve this incredible victory, incredible at these heights, and bring up our flag there, and national prestige, national image, कि यार India है ये, 22 years back. Now, this is one part, Kargil revisited. I'm sure so much available books, a movie on Vikram. I was talking to Vikram Batra's father yesterday. It's there on my YouTube live yesterday. Last night I was with his father, his parents. Anuj Nayyar's mother, Mrs. Meena Nayyar. Vijayan Thapar's mother, Tripta Thapar, was there with us last night in the show. So I try to bring them together for the young generation to talk to their parents. कि parents क्या feel करते हैं आज, और इनके colleagues क्या feel करते हैं आज. So that was one part, Kargil. Now let me share some thoughts on leadership qualities, because my entire emphasis in my second innings is how do I inspire young generation. So my dear young friends, I feel I'm your age many times. मुझे ऐसे लगता है मैं अपनी सेकेंड इनिंग्स में आपकी फर्स्ट इनिंग्स के साथ जी रहा हूँ. सो व्हाट आई लाइक अबाउट यू एंड व्हाट यू नीड टू डू to join the Defence Forces of India or wherever, go to corporate, be professor, be doctor, but pick up certain great leadership qualities. And these you don't get it in genes. I'm convinced about this. You will get your leadership qualities through learning, through reading, through seeing people. Your own professors, some of them may be role models, your friends, colleagues, your parents. Pick up role models. And number one quality that all of you, especially the girls, need to do is get physically fit. We want fit India. I don't want India to be dying the way we were dying in second wave. I don't want more hospitals to come over. I want more universities and colleges and athletic tracks and cycling tracks and these coming up in my vacant lands. वो तभी होगा ना जब बीमार नहीं पड़ेंगे, हम फिट रहेंगे. And you are going to raise a family, a home. आपने अगली जनरेशन को फिट करना है. So be fit, Get out every day in the morning. Go running, push up, sit up, cycling. I want एक एटीट्यूड होना चाहिए गर्ल्स का, जब चले तो लगना चाहिए कि यार ये कोई एनसीसी की कैडेट है, क्या है ये, कौन से कॉलेज में, कहाँ पढ़ती है। वो पुराना निकाल दो, वो हिंदी पिक्चरों में जो रूप एक औरत का है वो नहीं है। टुडे यू आर डिफरेंट, ये यंग इंडिया। देन डेवलप एम्पैथी फॉर पीपल। देयर आर लॉट ऑफ पीपल, यू आर प्रिविलेज्ड टू बी बोर्न इन फैमिलीज वेयर यू हैव एवरीथिंग, यू आर इन अ गुड कॉलेज, सारा एसी चल रहा है, लाइट है, आपके पास सब कुछ है, पेरेंट्स अच्छा कमाते हैं। लुक एट पीपल जो आपके घर में मेड्स आती हैं, डू यू टॉक टू देम, डू यू टॉक टू द पीपल जो आपका कचरा उठाते हैं। हम एम्पैथी नहीं है हमारे देश में, हम स्माइल नहीं करते हैं, घर से बाहर निकलते हैं, किसी को राम राम नहीं करते हैं, किसी को नमस्ते दुआ सलाम करते ही नहीं है, पता नहीं क्यों नहीं करते, मुझे बहुत दुख होता है। बच्चे आगे से निकल जाते हैं, कभी विश नहीं करते हैं। सो डेवलप एम्पैथी, develop love for another human being, another Indian. There is an article of mine, if you Google search my name, on how I brought a captured terrorist, Atta Mohammed. उसकी फोटो भी है उस आर्टिकल के अंदर. It has been millions of people have read it. How I gave his life back to him because he was a child of India. मेरे देश का बच्चा है यार. तो क्या हो गया अगर दिमाग खराब हो गया? He became a terrorist. He went to Pakistan, stayed in Pakistan for 2-3 years, came back here to fight the Indian army. I captured him. My company captured him alive. But I said no. I said नहीं, ये हमारे देश का बच्चा है. Today he is in the army. ऐसे हमने इतने बच्चों को कश्मीर में प्यार दिया. मिलिटेंसी में हमने छोड़ा नहीं किसी को जिसके पास गन थी, and who fought with us. But we did not let it affect our relations with the common people. जो कौम है ना हमारी, जो आवाम है, उनको, क्योंकि मैं कुरान पढ़ता था, मैं नास्तिक हूं तो मैं किसी भी धर्म को 1 मिनट में अपना लेता हूं. मैं कुरान की आयतों में बात करता था उनसे कि अच्छा मुसलमान कभी देश के खिलाफ जा ही नहीं सकता, जाता भी नहीं है. मैंने अपनी जिंदगी में लाखों मुसलमानों के साथ नौकरी करी है, मैंने कोई देशद्रोही देखा ही नहीं आज तक नहीं देखा मैंने. लेकिन हमारे व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप और सोशल मीडिया में ये एक चल रहा है बड़ा जबरदस्त, which pains me a lot. So develop this ability, empathy, physical fitness, courage, moral courage, ability to say sorry. गलती होगी, बदमाशी सब बच्चे करते, करो, हमने भी करी. हम कोई बहुत आइडियल स्टूडेंट नहीं थे. मैं तो बैक बेंचर था स्कूल में, मैं तो बहुत क्लास मिस करी है, हॉस्टल में था, बहुत बार बंक करके पिक्चर देखी है, मैचेस देखने गए हैं, बहुत इस तरह के, वही लीडरशिप सीखी हमने तो. I learned all nuances of leadership when I was outside the classroom. I spent long hours in playing fields. You know, Kami was reading my introduction. I loved playing. Even today I play sports. Because that teaches me more than 4 walls of a room. Read Tagore, read Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, read Sarath Hasan Manto. Read them, find out about them. Sahir Ludhiana, Khushwant Singh, trained to Pakistan. So very early in my life I got into reading. I was weak in academics, but reading, general knowledge, general awareness. There's no excuse for you to not to know what is happening in Jharkhand and what is the issue of our Adivasis. Why are they upset? What are the issues of our north eastern state? हम नॉर्थ ईस्ट कहते हैं, हम मेघालय, मणिपुर, नागालैंड जानते ही नहीं, गए नहीं, वहां जाते क्यों नहीं आप लोग फ्लाइट लेके? गो एंड लैंड देयर, बोलो 15 दिन के बाद देखी जाएगी. गो एंड ट्रैवल टू कन्याकुमारी एंड सी from where we got a great president, Abdul Kalam. I've been to his, paid my obeisance, I've been to his village, Dhanushkodi, the last village of India. वहां से this man has come and become president of India. A great role model. So, and many of other things are there, leadership qualities I've talked of in my videos. Please watch them and make notes. Make notes. मेरे पास बच्चे भेजते हैं अपना रजिस्टर का PDF फाइल बना के, देखो सर आपके वीडियो देख के हमने नोट्स बनाए. एंड द पेरेंट्स आर कॉलिंग मी टू से कि हमारे बच्चे में चेंज आ गया सर, जब से वो आपकी बातें सुनते, आपके घर में बातें होती हैं. सो डेवलप लीडरशिप क्वालिटीज. ठीक है, स्टे अवे फ्रॉम नेगेटिव पीपल, डेवलप ए पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड इन लाइफ. पॉजिटिव, एक स्वैग होना चाहिए. आप हमारी जनरेशन की इंडिया में थोड़ी हो, ये नई जनरेशन है, नया इंडिया, ये विन विन इंडिया है. ठीक है, so many young people. So and with that in mind, I launched a online course, basic officer aspirant course. You all want to become officer, but you don't have it in you. You have not developed your communication skills. You have not opened up your mind. You have not deleted all the garbage that has been built up over years. जब तक delete नहीं करोगे बेचा learn कैसे करोगे? So you have to unlearn and relearn every time, every day. अगर आपके घर में 2 इंग्लिश न्यूज़पेपर नहीं आ रहे हैं तो मैं अनपढ़ों का घर मानता हूं, चाहे यू बी वेरी वेल ऑफ फैमिली, बिकॉज यू नॉट रीडिंग. और टीवी तो बंद कर दो. आई से पीपल विद 75-inch टीवी don't have a library in their home. लानत है. So your library must be bigger than your TV at least. So too much. पिछली generation in building wealth and materialistic things have forgotten what it is to live a life. And you are privileged to be in a college like this, topmost college of the country. DU का college है, CP में college की आपकी location इतनी जबरदस्त है. You all must be visiting every week. You should be at the war memorial. एक चक्कर लगा के आओ and read the names there. Some of the names that I'm telling. So I'm taking away from Kargil to leadership, the attributes you need to do. And someday I'll come and go Corona. I'll come and see you all physically and interact with you all physically. जिससे मैं अपने दिल की बात आप लोगों से कह सकूं. कैसे हम देखो, हमने जोड़ना है सबको. And please today itself delete all if you have any biases against anybody based on dress, based on cuisine, and based on where they go to worship. From my side, let them go anywhere. At your generation, why should you even worship? You should work. Work is worship, but worship is not work. Don't waste time. उसमें 20 push-ups कर लो. You will build some muscle which will help you. You will become strong. Be fearless. Be strong. And go with the courage of conviction. Go with your courage. You're old enough now to decide your future. Don't let somebody else play the innings for you. ठीक है? Don't depend on your parents to now guide you and coach you. No. They are facilitators. But आपकी अपनी कहाँ से call है? What do you want to be? You joined NCC, you want to join the forces, great. Then work towards it. In 3 months you can change. I'm tutoring now thousands of young people on my Telegram channel and all. Every day only this. Ki develop your spoken skills. And communication is, my dear bachcho, is not only spoken, it is verbal, it is listening. सुनते ही नहीं. Lack of listening is a huge problem. Ability to listen. Non-verbal communication. So let this day be a day which brings a change in your life. I am happy to be with you all. Such a privilege, So develop these skills. Develop a notion of one India, one nation, unity in diversity. It gives me a lot of pleasure. So, ma'am, what I will do is I will end here. I've enjoyed talking, very free, frank. I didn't have any notes with me. I just spoke from my heart. I'm sure, I hope the young kids, it has reached them what I wanted to convey. And thank you. Jai Hind.